Hi guys, good morning. I'm folding my laundry and the birds is on my head. You are pretty boy and he's talking today to me. And then look, I'm folding my laundry. Yeah, good morning. You are pretty boy. Give me a kiss. He's talking too much today. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Kagilok. My God, guys, this is the first time the birds do not eat my muta. Oli is ticklish. It's the first time in my life the birds on my head. Distracting my doing my laundry. Huwag mo kong taihan na. My hair is slippery and it's falling down. Pretty boy. Good morning. Kagilok. Oli is ticklish. Yeah, good boy. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Huwag mong taihan na. First